How to get approved for Chase Freedom Unlimited. Let's find out some of the tips. So first of all, you have to know some of the policy that Chase Freedom has it. So the first is the credit score requirement. A good credit score that is above 670 is recommended. You can check your credit score for free from various sources before applying. Did you know? The Chase Freedom has a rule that is 5/24, which means it denies applicants who have opened 5 or more new credit cards in the past 24 hours. So make sure you monitor your credit and report to ensure you fall under this limit. Now for this, you can directly apply on Chase website, that is chase.com. Then make sure you have your social security number, employment information, and income verification ready. Understand the card's annual fee, interest rate, and reward program details. Always ensure that your credit history is foolproof and your credit score is ideally below 30%. Avoid applying for multiple cards as now you know the 5/24 rule that Chase Freedom has. After all of this, you would be able to get approved for Chase Freedom Unlimited. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.